Meron tayong bagong project.
Ay, ano na naman yan?
O ito, LM324 op amps. Dual blinker, flasher.
Paano gumana yan?
Kabitan natin ng 5 volts. Power bank. Alternate LED, dual LED flasher using LM324. And discrete components.
Paano gumana yan?
So here we have this LM324 IC composed of 4 op amps. We are only using 1 op amps. And all the active pins are pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 11. 11 is the ground, 4 is the voltage supply, 3 is the non-inverting, 2 is the inverting input, and then 1 is the output of the first op amp. This is now the schematic diagram of our circuit. So we have these two resistor in voltage divider, because we're using only one supply for the op amps, and it has a voltage of 2.5 volts to the non-inverting and then 2.5 volts to this R1. So we have this feedback resistor 100k from output to the input 3. Non-inverting, inverting consists of capacitor 0.1 microfarad, and then to the output pin 1 is the RD2 LED, the LED1 and the LED2. So the initial state of the circuit is when the capacitor is charging, it charges through the R4 and then to the capacitor. So it charging the capacitor, causing this LED to turn on, because the output of the op amp is in a low state. Because the capacitor is charging, it develops a voltage greater than the voltage reference 2.5, causing this to enter in the low state or zero or low level. So the first LED turns on because the current flows from 5 volts to this LED and then to the ground. While during the discharging of capacitor, it discharges to C1, to the R4, then to the other LED. Now this one now turns off and this one turns on. Okay? Because the capacitor now is discharging. There is a current sinking now to the output of the op amps, which is now in a high level state. So before, the current flows towards the or inside the LM324. Now, because of the discharging, it will flows outward, causing this to turn on and this one to turn off, because there is a reverse bias condition of this LED. So this one is on, this one is off. While during the charging again, it will turns on and this one turns off. While during the discharging, it will turn on this LED and turn off this LED. So they blink alternately. That's why we have this dual LED flasher.